how to set up a barbering shop. I know a lot of you guys out there want to set up, a new barbering shop for yourself. Maybe you are working for someone, you were able to mobilize some money, you want to, establish yourself with a little bit shop. This is a quick tip for you guys. A few plan, full plan. If you follow these steps, you can open your own shop no matter your location, wherever you find yourself. It's a general information I'm giving out for free. Please, if you come across this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube. You follow me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay connected. So how to setting up a barbering shop takes plan, good branding, and the right tools to attract and keep clients. Here are set up by steps guide. You understand? Number one, plan your business. Plan your business is very, very important. Before you do anything, make sure you have a plan for that. So business idea and name plays a major role. So choose professional name that stand out. Open a business, you need to make sure that the name you are putting on the business will stand out. When people hear, they will be curiosity to look for wherever that name means. You understand? So the name is very, very important. Number 2 point is target market area. Target market area. You understand? Target market area. Number 3, business plan. Outline your setup cost. Before you even plan to establish yourself, you need to make sure that amount that the setup will cost you before you go into it. Don't just wake up. Let's say you have $100, you have $200, you have $3,000, $5,000, then you say you are going to open a shop. Meanwhile, maybe the money will be maybe more than that, or it could be less than that. So it's always the best to outline your setup cost, you understand, before going into it. You understand? That is number 1. Number 2, register and legal name. Register and legal requirements. Register and legal requirements. Get a business license or register your shop officially. You understand? Secure a barbering license if required in your area. Secure a license that will witness you that yes, you are a professional barber and you have the right to establish this business. You understand? It's very, very important. And lastly, check the location, healthy and safety regulations first. You understand? Before you even plan to open it, you need to check all these things, because it's human beings that are coming to receive service there. So the safety is very, very important. The healthy is very, very important. You understand? The cleanliness and sanitation is very, very important. You cannot just go and open a shop at any random place. Barbering shop nowadays plays a major role. So if you plan to open a shop, make sure you are opening it in a good place, a good location. It's very, very important. You understand? 3, choose the right location. A lot of you guys don't know this. Before you plan to establish yourself, the location plays a major role. I always use myself as an example. When I was about to establish myself in 2022, I was like, where should I, sometimes I will go around to check out the shops, and I found the shop is very affordable. But when I check the location, it's not going to help the business. This barbering business, if you want to, open it, or you want to set up a barbering business, the location plays a major role. You need to get a traffic area, a place that people pass, let's say market area, a main road area that people pass always. You understand? So choosing the right location is very, very important. Pick a spot with high foot traffic. It's very, very important. School or bar street. Ensure easy visibility. You understand? You cannot just go and open a shop at any corner and expect people to come around to patronize your business. So that one too is very, very important. So always make sure that you are choosing the right location. Number 4, shop layout and design. The shop layout and design plays a major role when it comes to opening a business. Shop layout and design, it plays a major role. No matter what business you are opening, this shop layout and design plays a major role. Okay, let's take it. Chairs and stations. Each barber need a mirror, those type chairs, stools, and storage. You need to have space that customers can relax, and this stuff is very, very important. And receptionists, a waiting area, comfortable seats, TV, or music, maybe magazine, you put something there, people can choose their hairstyle from it, so the layout and design plays a major role. This is inside the shop, that people, when people are passing, this is what we, this is what they will see and see, that this shop is a nice shop, this shop is a clean shop, then they patronize you. You understand? So the layout and design plays a major role, so always make sure that that one too, you are taking good care of it. The TV, music, maybe magazine, storage, you need to have space, choose chairs, all these things, quality. The lighting system, light, clean, it's very, very important. If you are opening a barbering shop, don't use any ordinary bulb. Use a bulb that will be visible, that will be very clean. Even in the night, when workers and barbers are working, they can still see everything complete. You understand? It plays a major role. And 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 those stuff, you understand? So that's it. Brandon, use stylist team with your shop colors. You need to make sure that the apron, the things that you are using, you need to have a specific color. As for me, for instance, I have, my color is yellow, my shop color is yellow. So sometimes whatever I'm doing, my logo and everything, I make sure that I add a little bit yellow to it, so that it will sound you understand? So that's it. So let's move to number 5. Buy the right equipment. The equipment also plays a major role. All these points I'm mentioning is plays a major role when it comes to opening a business. When it comes to opening a business, these things I'm mentioning, it plays a major role. If you follow it step by step, you are going to achieve whatever you are. We are going to set up a quality, a very good standard shop with a little amount. Yes. Buy the right equipment. Number 5, barber chairs. The chairs plays a major role. Sometimes you open a shop and you just go and get normal chair. We have professional barbering chairs. Get those stuff for your shop. You understand? If it is 2, if it is 3, it's okay. Just get quality chairs for your shop. And clippers, trimmers, scissors, roseos and combs, brush, towels, cups, sterilizer, spray, mirror, large wall place, reception desk, shape, PO system, option, but professional. You understand? All these things plays a major role. You understand? So you need to get a quality tools for yourself. Get a quality tools for yourself, for your shop. You understand? Because if you have a quality tools, I have one trimmer. It's because of that trimmer, one customer always come to me, because when I use it to trim his beard, it's not paining him. So because of that, he always come back to me. So let me go to number 6. Hire and train staff if needed. Hire a trained staff if needed. If you are opening a business, let's say if you are not a barber and you are opening a business to employ people, to hire people to work for you, make sure you are getting a professional. Make sure you are getting a trained barbers to manage your shop. Don't just go and pick any ordinary person. Because of the salary you will pay them to do the quality you just go around pick anybody to come and do your work for you. No, if you set up a shop, a standard shop, make sure you get a professional barbers to work inside it. Employ skills barbers who are share your style and customer service standard. Very, very important, because they are going to pull up the customers. Because fine, you design the shop, the nice location, nice design, nice equipment, nice everything, okay, but when the workers are not doing a good job, you will lose a lot of clients. So it's very, very important to hire a highly skilled trained people to work at your shop. Offer training on new trend, fading techniques and hygiene. Make sure that the shop is very clean, the professionals are very clean, very decent, and those stuff. You understand? Number 7, marketing and customer growth. Marketing and customer growth. Create a social media pages to back TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other stuff. It's very, very important. Nowadays, the social media plays a major role when it comes to opening a business. So if you're about to set up a shop, whatever business, make sure you are involved in these things, because nowadays, in this era, this currently era we are in, social media plays a major role. So whatever you are doing, make sure you get a professional page for your business, so that people can offer first time discount, referral bonuses, have a strong signboard. When you open a business, make sure you put up a strong signboard. It's very, very important. Put a strong signboard for people to easily see it and walk to you. You get it? Very, very important. So that is it. That is number 7. So let's go to number 8. Number 8, manage finance. Here is the point. Here is the point. You understand? Manage the finance. Here, the whole, I'm opening a business, I'm opening a shop, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Here is the point. We are all looking for money. You get it? We are all looking for money. So let me quickly take you through this. Manage finance. Track daily income and expenses. You need to track your daily income. Let your secretary dot everything. Today we work like we get $100. Yesterday we get $200. This week we get $500. This month we get this. This year we get. You need to have that track record, so that you can trace to know what is moving and what is not moving. Then you do something about it. You get it? It's very, very important. Reinvest in better tools and shop upgrades. Always make sure that the tools are very active, good quality for the work. You get it? It's very, very important. Keep price competitive but profitable. Don't raise the price too much. Have some people, when they set up a shop, because they invest a lot of money, they want to use just 1 year, just 1 month to gain all their their money back. It's not possible. You understand? Keep price competitive but comfortable. You get it? Don't do it too much. Don't let the client feel like your price is too high than the areas ones, and meanwhile you are all giving the same service. So make sure that you are managing the price at the 8th level. And let me give you last one. Okay, quick tips. Then brand the shop with a good customer service will also win over fancy equipment. You understand? So let me give you these 8 points. I think if you follow these 8 points, you are going to set up a standard shop with low budget. You understand? So as a professional barber, you are working for someone, you are planning to establish yourself, it is easy to do it. Don't be afraid. If you're able to manage to save a little bit money, you can open your shop. You can get it, start from a bottom, a little bit, buy items, do this. By the time you realize, you can use like maybe 1-2 years to plan that. By the time 1 year, 2 years, you have already bought all the equipment and you left with the shop. So once you get a shop, you already have the item, then you just fix in. You understand? So it's very easy to set up your shop, but a lot of you guys are afraid. A lot of you guys are afraid. Don't be afraid. You can do it. This is your number 1 hairstylist from West Africa. And if you come across this video, make sure you stay connected on my YouTube channel, my Facebook, my Instagram, FreshVGH, YouTube, FreshVGH TV, and stay connected. If you have any question, put it under and I'll come and answer you. I want all of us to win. You understand? This is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. Thank you so much for watching.